Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Phala network. In today's video, we will take a look at the Phala with Bitcoin pair, and we will also do some analysis of Phala with US dollar pair as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this my previous analysis that I shared with my members at the Patreon in the month of August 2021. And this was my last analysis that was with the Bitcoin pair, and Phala formed this guardrail move and entered the buying zone. And I told my members that from here we can expect a reversal move, and our sell targets can be between 0.00216 to 2689. And after playing this chart, we can see that the Phala reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone, and after hitting the sell targets, it was moved up to 0.0002597, and again moved down, and then we had a very big drop. Currently, if we take a look at the Phala with Bitcoin pair, then we can see on the weekly time frame chart, Phala is moving inside a very long-term down channel, and you can see that we have so many touch points at the resistance, and we also have several touch points at the support as well. But you can observe here that Phala is testing the resistance more than support, and right now we are just reached the resistance once again. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart right now, Phala is again under the resistance. In the previous candlestick, we had a long spike beyond this resistance of the channel, and yesterday I was expecting that it will break out the resistance of this down channel, but you can see it is again moving under the resistance of this down channel, and not completely rejected, still moving with the resistance. Now if we take a look at the stochastic on this weekly time frame chart, then we can see that Phala has reached the resistance of the channel with the bullish divergence. Let me show you the stochastic here, and we can see when Phala formed this low here, and after this low, Phala formed the next low here. But if we take a look at the stochastic here, then stochastic formed this low here, and the next low is higher than the previous one. So there was a bullish divergence, and with this bullish divergence, Phala reached the resistance of this channel. Therefore, there is a high probability that Phala with the Bitcoin pair, this is by the way with the Bitcoin pair, can break out the resistance of this channel. Now if it will break out the resistance of the channel, then Phala can also reach here at the top of the channel. That will be the final target, and that will be approximately at 0.00002846 bitcoins. And by the way, Phala has also completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move on the weekly time frame chart with the Bitcoin pair, and I've shared the complete trade setup for this at my Patreon as well. You can find there. Now let's move with the Phala with Bitcoin pair on this chart of Phala with Bitcoin pair, and we can see that here Phala has also formed another channel on this weekly time frame chart, and we can see that it is just getting bounced from the support of this channel. So for example, if it will reach the resistance here, that will be approximately at $1.50 to 60 cents. And if I place the measurement tool, currently it is moving at 10.7 cents, and if for example if it reaches here at the resistance, that will be approximately more than 50% move up to the resistance that I'm expecting it can make it within coming few days. But before that, Phala needs to break out a triangle that it has formed on the daily time frame chart. And here we can see these are the major support and resistance levels on the daily time frame where Phala is moving right now after this breakdown. And the resistance we have here at 16 cents, and the support we have here at 9 cents. And you can see that it is moving between this resistance and support, and also has formed this symmetrical triangle as well. We have one touch point here and several touch points here at the support. We have also several touch points at the resistance as well. Now for example, Phala if breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then after the breakout, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then we can expect that it can move up to the 20 cents. And for example, if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then we can see it is showing us the projection beyond the resistance of this channel. which means that after breaking out this resistance of the triangle, there will be a very high probability that Phala will also break out this key resistance of 16 cents and also the resistance of the channel. The final target can be here for this channel at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.